If you or a loved one has been the victim of a defective medical device, you're not alone, not even close. Over 100,000 defective medical device cases have been in our court system in the last year. One question you'll ask yourself, how did this happen? Isn't the FDA making sure that defective devices aren't sold? I'm going to tell you how this happens, and it's shocking. The first thing most people don't know is that the FDA does not test drugs or medical devices. They rely on the pharmaceutical companies to report honestly. It's like putting the fox in charge of the henhouse. On top of that, Big Pharma has figured out how to take advantage of the rules so that the FDA doesn't look too closely at their products. And this is how they do it. If you have a brand new kind of medical device, the FDA approval process is very involved and takes a long time. The companies seeking to sell a new medical device have to conduct many studies and provide the FDA with scientific proof of safety and effectiveness, and this data must be vetted by the FDA. On the other hand, if you have a device that is just like something else that's already gone through that system, the FDA has a different process called 510(k). Under a 510(k) application, the process is much quicker because if the new device is just like something that has already been approved, then those can get on the market without a lot of review. And this good idea has been taken advantage of by Big Pharma for years. To the FDA, they say, oh, this new device of ours is like this old one, so you don't need to look too closely at it. The ironic thing is that once the device is approved, the same company goes to doctors and hospitals and markets the groundbreaking differences in their new product. Use this new shoulder device, or hip device, or pacemaker, or whatever it is, because our new device has all these new features and works differently than the one you've been using for years. These pharmaceutical companies are in a war with each other to get their products out as fast as possible and then convince the medical community that theirs is the best. It's a greedy war for market share, and the American people pay the price. So, Big Pharma, talking out of both sides of their mouth, to the FDA they say, no need for a big review because this product is just like other products you've reviewed. And they do this whenever they can so they can rush their products to the market, trying to beat other companies to the money. Then, as soon as their products are approved, they pay millions of dollars marketing that same device as being different than anything else. It can't be both, can it? It's the same, so give us quick approval. Use this new device because it's different than the rest. The problem is obvious, isn't it? But Big Pharma owns Washington, so don't expect this to be fixed anytime soon. If you or a loved one has been the victim of a defective medical product, call us at thelawfirm.com. We've been helping families for almost 20 years. Call us for a free consultation today.